Okay, here we go. It's 3rd of June. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and it's autumn here in New Zealand. All the leaves coming onto the ground. There's Mojo, and this is Fred, or Freddy, and the Labrador is Sultan. A bit of damp on the grass this morning, and that's the driveway. And we're just going to take the dogs for their first walk of the day. If you see a flash of white every now and then, that's Mojo. Where's Fred gone? There he is. He's the only one on the lead because he's recently dislocated his hip, and he's not allowed to go for a run like Mojo, who's disappeared off down there somewhere. Come on, Salt, this way. Here we go, here's our top field. There's 2 fields up here, and the rest are below the house. There's a little bit of native bush. And there's the mad Mojo. He's totally mad. Mojo, come on. Mojo, come on. There he goes. Disappears often. It usually does the circuit about 5 or 6 times when we do it once. But I can't let Fred off the lead for a while until his muscles on his hip have secured a bit better. Right, oh, there goes Salt. Whoops, I'll not show you what Sultan's up to at the moment. And look, we've even got the, you can see, even got the moon out, or a half moon. Beautiful. This is what Mojo does. Oh, he turns round and he'll come running back again. Oh no, he's chasing the mice. There's a few mice that live around the barn area there. Here he comes. He just loves to run. Whoops, he's too fast for me. He says that running is his most favourite thing in all the world to do. He's a funny thing. This is the tree that I want to go and get a couple of leaves off. The pale green tree in the bottom there. It's only a short one. Not as old as those native ones. But it's beautiful under there. Come on, Fred, where you going? Come on. That's our... Oh, this is his favourite thing. He loves doing this. Every time we go for a walk, he does this. He says, I've got an itch on my chin, I want to scratch it. He does his rolling over. Where's Mojo? There he goes. That's our orchard. There's a few bare fruit trees. Actually, there's some tangerine trees still growing, and the lemon trees. Oh, there goes Mojo. He's so funny. And the almond tree in the middle is it's still got its nuts at the top. Here he comes, look at this. Whoop! Oh, he's gone the other way. Sometimes they run, there's another bush area behind these tall pines, and that's sort of like into a valley. I'll show you that another day. But this is what I'm after. Some of these leaves. Oh, where's Fred gone? Come here, Fred. Whoa, whoa, Fred. Hang on, let's put his lead on there a minute while I'll grab a leaf. That one will do. Oh, look. That's what I want, a couple of those. Oh, that's a nice big one there. Got it. What's up, dogs? Oh, look, all three together in the same shot. Now that is very unusual. What are you on, Fred? Oh, this is... Mojo thinks there's something up the tree. Get down, Fred. Don't jump up. Get off your legs. Go on. Get off your back legs. Come here. Hang on, got him all twisted up now. Come here, Fred. Good boy. Right. Oh yeah, that's oh, look. I'll take you for a walk in there another day when it's a bit brighter, or later in the day. And there goes Mojo. And that's the way we're heading back home. So I'll catch you later.